Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to showcase this deal to you guys, so you guys know that Thanksgiving's coming up, holidays coming up, and if you want to look a good present, for your boyfriend or your husband or your uncle, I think this set of DEWALT would be awesome. So, as you can see here, the regular price 183, and currently you can get it for $122.30. And from looking at the pictures, you can see that it does come with a hard case, which is good. So this is something portable, and it does come with a quarter, 3/8, and half drive, and it does come with standard and matrix. And the total of pieces is like 205. But most of you can see that every single little piece is like this. The bits here, it does count as one piece as well too. But we're gonna go look at the pictures, and we're gonna go through some pictures, and we're gonna read a couple review, and then I have one more promotion that I want to bring it to your attention. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the video all the way till the end. So it includes, well, this is the model number DWMT 8153 and 4. So three pair head ratchet, 22 pieces of a quarter drive socket, and 20 quarter deep socket. It's a good thing that they include the deep socket as well, because some of the bolt is really hard to get to. So with the deep socket, it'll be best. And 22 pieces of the 3/8 drive socket, and also the 3/8 have deep socket as well too, which is awesome. For 18 pieces for the half drive socket, and 10 combination wrenches. Wrenches are good, and 5 extension bars, which is awesome. And you see, like this, the hex keys right here. There's quite a bit, and it does come with the 2 spark plug sockets, awesome, an adapter, and nut bits. These is where it takes up a lot of number of pieces here. Or here, specialty too, 33 pieces and all that stuff. But you can see it does come with a lot of things. Just all this ratchet itself, it's almost well worth the money. And this is a little more deep sockets. It's fully polished, and 32 tooth, awesome, and designed for everyday mechanics. And I believe DEWALT does have a lifetime warranty on their tool as well too, so which is awesome. And it looks like it's engraved, really nice. You can see it. Here's some pictures. Right, so we can. This is the brand DEWALT blend, all kind of stuff, precision. So I'm not gonna go through every single stuff about this. And if you click on the see more products details, it actually gave you everything that's included in this deal. And again, it's a lifetime warranty, so which is awesome. If it breaks, you bring it into Home Depot, and they'll replace you another one. Right. So let's take a look at the review, some of this, because usually when I buy something, I would like to take a look at the reviews, and just to see what people say about the items, you know what I mean. And so, boom, this one is a 4.8 out of 5, which is really, 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 really good. And it's not like 1 or 2 reviews we're talking about here. It's almost 15,000 review, right? So let's see. This one, it just recently, September 7th, 2024, perfect for beginner. I bought this to start working on my cars on my own, and it has everything you need for a DIY project to work on your car. It's high quality tools that you'll likely buy it once and use it for a very long time. I've used this tool for oil change, exhaust replacement, and side mirror replacements. These little projects would have costed me hundreds of dollars to do at dealerships and auto shops. The more I use the tools, the more they save you money down the line, worth every penny, which is true. I myself, I like to work on my own car. Now that I have a Tesla, there's nothing much for me to do besides the air filter after 12,000 miles, and the tire rotations every 6,250 miles. But the coolant, but there's nothing much to do with the coolant. It's just fill it up. But if you do like an ICE vehicle where you need to do the oil change, before it used to be 3,000, now with technology advancing 5,000, and some actually go up to 7,500 miles. So, but still, it could be costly if you go to the dealership to have it changed. But you can do it yourself, you know. And sometimes when you take it to a dealership, you really don't know what people are doing to your car. You know, they could claim that they put in like synthetic oil, yet they just put in conventional oil. But who knows how many people actually open up their oil cap and then actually check the oil inside to make sure it is what it is, right? So, but if you work on your own car, you buy the parts, you know, and you place it, you know for sure exactly what comes in. So, which is good, right? So another promotional products that I have for you guys today is this one right here. So it's I really don't know how to pronounce this. Baseus for MagSafe battery pack. It's a 6,000 milliamp hours wireless portable charger. So this is like the one that Apple sells, but this one's a lot less. So as you can see right now, the price they're listing for this is $26, and there is a 40% coupon applied. So you're gonna end up paying about $10 if you add it to the cart, right? So, and this one, let's read a little bit about this for compatibility and what it does. And it's a fast charger. It's like 20-watt USB Type-C charging power bank, compatible with like iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pros, and 15 Pro Max. So I think it will be compatible with the 16 as well too, and it does compatible with all the way back to 2012. Okay, so 2024 upgrades. And these are some of the features that it does about this items recommended by CNN _ the affordable Baseus MagSafe compatible battery pack was one of the fastest charging and recharging models we've tested, making it a great buy for anyone looking for a magnetic battery bank for their iPhone. So this is I don't know about this, so we may need a fact checked on this one, but we're just gonna take their words for it, right? So let's take a look at some of the pictures that they have for us. Looks to me, it looks just like a MagSafe, but at a lot cheaper price. So, and snap and charge. So just like it has a battery magnetic there, just click straight to the phone, and there you go. So battery increased by 20%. Charge at what? 1.8 charges. So the 15. Compact portable and magnet size. So it's just telling you how small this thing is. So it's like the size of a credit card. So it's like a pocket size that you can carry with. Talking about convenient, you know, you don't have to plug anything in, you just slap it back. Or you can do the wire as well too, if that's something you consider. And again, it reminds us, and all of others compatible iPhones is even, it will charge the wired charging for the Samsungs, the Google, and the Motorola, and you can even charge the iPad. iPad probably, maybe not like completely charge up the whole iPad, but it will charge up partial because the iPad battery is pretty huge. The earbuds for sure, the speakers, tiny ones, yeah, for sure, and the GoPro, yeah, of course. And this is the close-up of it. It has like what, the USB Type-C, and on your left-hand side you see the power button on and off, and to the right-hand side, it's really nice that they have all these LED bars. It tells you how many bars, how many battery it has left, and in this case it's a 4 bars, so it's 100, so it's like from 25%, 50%, 75%, and up to 100%, which is good. So it gives you an indication that if the battery is low, you can charge it up. Alright, and this when it's standing up, really nice. And let's see what other, this one here, it's talking about different other ones. The MagSafe, other MagSafe is like 5,000 milliamp, and this one a little bit bigger. So, and then 20 watts, we already know about that one. Pass-through charging. So this one, pass-through charging, means like you can charge up the battery pack, and it also charges your phone as well too, which is nice. Sometimes you don't want the one that if it doesn't have it and it only charges the battery pack, and then after that it charges your phone. So more time wasted. And this one right here, what is it? 2 years warranty and lifetime technical support. This is good. Not too many companies out there that will be willing to give you a 2 years warranty. You know, most of the time just a year. And I don't know how many people actually claiming within a year. But this one, they're standing behind their product for 2 years, which is awesome. So telling you that it's quality, it's not a piece of junk. And I love the fact that it has a lifetime technical support. So, but really, how often do you have issues with this kind of battery pack and actually need to call technical support? So I think it's just something that's good that they have on paper to show, and even if the return window is closed, right? So which is nice. So, but you know the fact that they're there, so which is nice. And let's see some of the review that we have. So the rating, so 4.1 out of 5. It's a lot lower than the DEWALT that we looked at, 4.8. But this is maybe something new. It only has 53 ratings, but we can go through it. And this is seem like pretty recent. Love it. October 23rd, 2024. We use these and they charge quick and they are lightweight. So this is good. I remember buying one of the portable charger from I think Mophie at the airport of LAX, and it cost me $105. But this one's really nice. Smart and convenience. Again, October 8, 2004, and these are the verified purchase. So they love this white wireless magnetic charger. Reasonable price and good features. So here, received this product. Once I opened the box, the portable charger was missing. The only thing I received was a charger and a stickers. Very disappointing. I'm pretty sure they can call tech support, and I'm pretty sure they will send out like the missing cable or whatever that is. Because again, here. So has anyone else seen the charging just stop at the third LED light, but doesn't charge to the fourth light? No, okay. So if they have 2 years of warranty, so I'm pretty sure there's reviews here. They should do an update just to be fair to the manufacturers, because you know, and they should, because what happens is maybe they post this on September 8th and they called on October or maybe September 10th, and they got a replacement on October. Who knows, you know? But to be fair. Just to give an update to what it really is. So these are actual pictures of it. So yeah, so again, so those are the two items that I think are well worth mentioning to you guys. So if I'm not sure if for those review if they're paying at the regular price, you know what I mean, but if you were getting it at about $10 for this, you know, that's just gonna be a crazy killing deals, you know. But again, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this kind of video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. I'll be searching for more deals like this and post to you guys, because again, who doesn't like saving, right? My whole thing is the more you save, the more you earn. So you save a penny, that means you earn a penny. Because nowadays with inflation, our salary is staying the same and everything's going up like 3 times. So save more money, and if that's something that you're interested, then you know, feel free to subscribe. But other than that, it's Sunday. Be safe. Till next time. Thank you, guys.